बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सजदा रज़ा। आई एम student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Sanam School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths, chapter number 4, factorization, exercise 4.2, question number 1, part 1. And there are some of methods too. First of all, completing the square method, then with middle term break method. There are also types of algebraic expression. First, type 1, a power 4 plus a square, b square plus b power 4. So, this first one we will use in question number 1. And also, there are the steps. First, add, subtract a square, x square. A power 4 plus a square, x square plus x power 4 plus a power 4 plus a plus x power 4 plus a square, x square minus a square, x square. Done this. Now second, rearrange. First of all, a power 4 and plus a square, x square, this, then this, then this, and this. Then this. Now third, make a plus b whole square formula. Listen to me carefully. This side is the formula of left hand side of formula. Okay, left hand side of formula. This a power 4 will become as it is plus a square, x square, a square, x square. We will add this, only this. It's become 2a square, x square. And this will become as it is. And this will become also as it is. Then this. For use a square minus b square formula. Before using a square minus b square formula, we will put in bracket a square plus first and second x. Sorry, this is not this. X square and whole square. Then minus a square, x square. Now this will come here and this will be come here. A square plus x square whole square minus bracket a x whole square. Now we will use the a square minus b square formula. Before using the a square minus b square formula, I have no space, that's why I am removing this and then I will use. You have noted now. Please hurry up and note it till I am writing this. Minus bracket a x whole Now I am removing it. So, first of all, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b formula. Then bracket a square plus x square whole square, and this a value will become in rough work a is equal to bracket a square plus x square, b is equal to bracket ax then minus bracket ax whole square is equal to curly bracket a square plus x square bracket plus bracket ax bracket. I am removing this. You have noted the a value and b value in rough work now. Then curly bracket, so not a curly bracket, e plus x square bracket minus bracket ax bracket curly bracket. Then this side will become as it is. Okay. Then this bracket, first bracket will become as it is down, plus a plus. This bracket will be open, minus plus a minus ax as it is, and it's become your answer. The book's answers are written. You can check it. A square plus x square, a square plus x square plus ax, a square plus x square, a square plus x square, minus ax minus ax. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.